now tuned into the greatest.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. This is a Jordan Stan account. If you really wanted to know, now I'm Team Jordan. I'm back. And I'm back because they're finally giving us what we wanted to see. It's just a good time to be a Jordan collector. It's a good time to be copping shoes. They're just coming out with a lot of shoes that I really think look really nice. And I will say, if they did better promo, like better like before release like media of the shoe, I think they would be more popular. But these shoes, I don't think you can miss. I don't think you can go wrong with copping these. These are the Jordan 5 Racer Blues that just released. Not selling for a lot, but obviously still sell out. So we're kind of getting back to the Jordan game that I once knew. Quality releases. They were always either gonna sell out or they would sell out within a couple days at least. But then again, you could buy them for $40 more than retail and you still straight. You don't even have to stress about it. Nothing too crazy. So I really appreciate it. And then also, I forgot I had more for y'all, obviously. We also got a Jordan 1 release. And we got the Jordan 1, a different color blue, Marina blue, whatever that is. Kind of a fake Royal 1. So, if you can't cop Royals, which I still have my pair, never worn, don't know why it's there. Couldn't tell you. But now, Marina blue. Kind of got, it's giving me Royal vibes. Nosy. Giving me Royal vibes, but just a nice Jordan 1, you know, something clean. If you couldn't cop the Royal ones, you couldn't cop the Royal toes, just a really clean blue Jordan, dark blue. Yeah, can't go wrong with either one in my opinion. They're both pretty much selling for around the same amount. So let me know in the comments which one you would cop. I'm gonna go with 5s just because I'm just a 5 type of dude. But let me know what you would cop in the comments. And yeah, Jordan, we here. If y'all need help, you know, before release, let me know. And keep dropping some quality stuff. Man, 2022 is looking crazy. 2022, I don't know what we gonna do, man. I ain't got the bread for all this. That's all I know. But hey, MarkHicks.com, support Marco Polo 2Os23 Instagram. I'll holla at y'all next one. Video very soon. So subscribe.